What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Cardano and the ADA coin. Wanted to create a full analysis and update on that. So we'll talk a bit about Cardano. There are some interesting things I wanted to say about that, and I think they are useful and very valuable to you as well. And then we'll go over the technicals. We obviously had quite some volatile technical days. Got quite a lot of bearish momentum yesterday morning, which is over 24 hours today, but we are still feeling the results. So we'll talk about that and just in general what you can expect. So that's what we'll do in this video. But before we get into the rest of Cardano, if you want to receive daily trading signals by me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. All right, now on to Cardano. So the thing is that even though Cardano right now has fallen a bit, it's still holding on very, very well. Cardano has been one of the most bullish cryptos in the last month, and it's still very strong. And I think one of the biggest reasons for that, which I have talked about before, to be honest, I've talked about that before with all of you. But one of the good things about Cardano, which also makes me believe a bit more in it, is this. If you take a look at their network, you can see daily transactions, daily active addresses have been stable. But the total value locked actually yesterday still made a new high. Well, all right, well, not yesterday, but it got to its previous high that we made 4 days ago. So still very bullish. Right now it's down a bit, but that's only because the price dropped down. So altogether, the network and the DeFi ecosystem of Cardano is still very strong. So I think that's helping Cardano a bit as well. And that's also for you if you're interested in DeFi, if you're interested in the Cardano blockchain, it's definitely something worth looking at because there might be some potential there. Strong projects, that type of thing. All right, but now onto the technicals with Cardano. We are actually in a pretty difficult place to be in. Because first of all, we have a relatively strong support level around 41.5 cents. That's holding us up now. But apart from that, we also have quite a strong resistance level at 42.5 cents. So we are stuck in this area, all right? And what's going to happen is that this area corresponds, I think at least, to this area for Bitcoin. And as most of you know, even though Cardano on its own is doing well, usually in times like this, when you have moves like this, fundamental moves without a clear explanation, like for Bitcoin, 2-3 billion was sold in 15 minutes. And I know there was bad news about the SEC, but that's not selling pressure, that's a sell-off. So what's going to happen is Cardano is just going to follow Bitcoin. If Bitcoin breaks down below 28,700, Cardano is going to break down below 41.5 cents. And the other way around, if Bitcoin can break above 29,250, Cardano is going to break above 42.5 cents. Now, I think the most likely scenario is that we will pull back a bit more. Historically, if Bitcoin gets a move like this with this nature, historically we have fallen down more. And that's also what I expect for Cardano. And for Cardano, it's also not the worst thing. I mean, if you take a look at this uptrend, what I think is going to happen and where there are also some opportunities is I think we'll get that bearish break retest and bearish breakout through 41.5 cents. But I think we'll drop down to 40 and 39.5 cents. And from there, start to try to continue the uptrend again. Who knows if that's possible, but in the end, that is a very strong support level, off of which we can actually become bullish again. So I'm waiting for that. I think that's the most likely scenario, but as I said, if you really want to know about Cardano, then also check out Bitcoin. But that's my take on it for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.